Every language has letters. Every language has letters. The English has A to Z. The French has A to Z with even some accent. Arabic has alphabet. And music is a language. So music also has alphabets. Like any other language, there are four skills in every language. We have the speaking, we have the reading, we have the writing, and then we have the listening. Yes. Music also is like any other language that you can write, you can read, you can listen, and then you can also speak it. And as it is always said, if you can talk, then you can sing. If you observe my videos, it's not like I'm a great singer. I just sing it. Yeah. Before we go into the proper writing of the musical alphabet, I invite you to go to the comment section, write something that you have learned from our lesson so far, and then indicate, are you into reading? Are you into speaking? Are you into listening? Or are you into writing music? And everybody is a musician in his or her capacity.